Guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. We are teaching you guys how to make money online. Today, I'm so excited to tell you that we are going to make a lot of money with this particular coin that will be listed on Solana chain. You guys know that as of recent, Solana chain, any coin that's been listed on Solana chain do make a lot of waves. Okay, a lot of people make crazy amount of dollar using this Solana chain, and this particular one is going to be listed in 3 days to come. Okay, the pre-sale is going to start on 3 days. You can see it right here. So what are you going to do in order to be part of this pre-sale? So what you're going to do is to do or get yourself in the whitelist. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how you can be part of this step by step on what you're supposed to do right now for you to be able to be part of this. Okay, so if you find yourself in this my YouTube channel, in this my TikTok, and in any part of my social media, do yourself good by subscribing and turning on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping video like this that will help you to generate a lot of money. And remember that we are in the bull run space, and a lot of fresh millionaires are going to be made this year. You see, this year 2024 we are going to make money. So without wasting much of our time, the name of this coin is Asvoria. Okay, and is ASV coin. So what do you need to do in order to qualify for the pre-sale? Because the pre-sale is not for everybody. That's the thing. The pre-sale is not for everybody. But if you can do this that I ask you to do right now, you are going to make crazy amounts of money. The pre-sale is on Solana network. Okay, they are going to do it on Solana network. So what you are going to do, this is the details. Okay, details start from the first week of February 2024. Okay, and end in 4th February 2024 also, and the listing on 7th February 2024, and the minimum sold to participate on this is 0.1 so, and the maximum is 100 so, and hard cap is 25k so this is the contract address. Okay, the contract address, this is your date, and the rate, this is something that you need to come and read from beginning to the end, so that you will understand everything that is going on here. So we are going to make money with this, and this is going to be massive. This is going to be massive. 72 hours after pre-sale on Radium. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to join this wonderful project. So guys, you can come here and read everything. Then after reading and doing everything, here is the things that you need to do. Come to this get on the whitelisted right now. Click on that. So once you click on that, do everything. I have done this, and I just want you to do the same thing. Okay, that's why I'm recording this video. So what you are going to do right now is to do all these tasks. Do it from the beginning to the end. Don't make sure you do everything right now. Make sure that you do everything right now. Do you understand? So what you need to do right now is very simple. It's very simple. Just come to this. The first one is 16 ways to enter. 16 ways to enter. So the first one is for you to add your Solana wallet from Phantom. Okay, like I explained what Phantom is all about. You can still go to my YouTube video where I explain how you can create. If you can create Trust Wallet, simple mean that you are going to, it's very simple to create Phantom wallet. So what you are going to do is to rush to your Play Store and download this Phantom. And once you download it, copy your Solana wallet. Okay, once you copy it, click on this first one. Okay, then you paste that your Solana wallet here. That's the first one, and after that you click on this continue. The reason why I'm showing you this, I have done everything, but I say that I need to inform my community so that they will participate on this, because it's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. So you can see that enter using Twitter. Okay, you are going to click on this one, and once you click on that, you are going to allow it to load. Okay, you are going to allow it to load, and after waiting for it, you can see that I have done everything here. I have done everything here. You can see everything I have done. By showing you this simple mean that I have done it. So what you are going to do for the next one is to retweet. Okay, retweet it. Once you click anyone that you click on it, you are going to see how you can retweet it. Okay, you are going to do that. Then here you tweet on Twitter also here. Then the next one, you're going to be following them, retweeting them. That's the simple thing that you need to be doing. Okay, so here is, you are going to join their WhatsApp. You are going to join their Telegram channel here. That's here. You are going to join their Telegram channel. Then after joining their Telegram channel, here you are going to join them on TikTok. Okay, so that's the reason why you should have all these social media, so that it will be very easy for you to join and make this money, because it's going to be massive. So another one here is the Reddit. You are going to create Reddit account. If you don't have, just go to your Play Store and download Reddit. Okay, so once you download it, you sign up, then you connect your Reddit to this website. That's first another one. So another one after doing that is to post about this Asvoria on Instagram. Okay, post them on Instagram. Then after that, you visit their Instagram web3. After visiting it, you like them. So after that, you join their Facebook. Okay, join their Facebook page. Join their Facebook page. And after joining their Facebook page, you are going to join them on Discord. Okay, if you don't have any of these, you can search them on Play Store or iOS or Apple Store, and you can see all this app on any phone that you are making use of. Okay, so after downloading it, you can register on Discord, and you can then connect your project. Okay, connect this website to your Discord. That's very simple. And anyone that you did where they are going to be taking it, okay, you are going to be seeing this good. This simple mean that you are done it properly. You are going to be doing it till the last one, and this last one they are going to give you plus 50. This is airdrop that they're going to give you, okay, before you start the pre-sale. So this is something that you need to take very serious. Don't waste time with this opportunity. Don't waste time with this opportunity. Take it very serious. So the next thing to do is to click on this. This is the last one that I'm going to do right now. So what you are going to do right now is to go to YouTube. Okay, you go to YouTube and search for the videos. Okay, search for the videos, or you can just make a short clip on YouTube about this project. Okay, so once you do a little video about them, then you copy the link and paste it here. Okay, copy the link and paste it here. So if you are using while trying to do this, some people might make use of the project link. So what you need to do is to keep checking other projects. Okay, keep checking other links to know whether you will see anybody that haven't make use of their own. Okay, then you can paste it here. That's the final, and you are ready to make these millions that is coming on Solana chain. So don't play with this particular update. Don't play with it, because it's going to be massive. It's going to be super massive. So if you find any value in what I'm sharing with you right here, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I talked about this WEN coin that this Solana chain that drop. Okay, the Jupiter, their first coin that they listed. Okay, they give a lot of people airdrop free of charge, and I made about $100 from that airdrop, and it still keep pumping. Okay, that's one thing about crypto. You do some simple stuff and you make a lot of money. Just imagine someone that just you trade with Jupiter on the Solana. Okay, use it to trade. Jupiter is a decentralized exchange also, where you can trade all these meme coins. So trading with them, once they are drop any airdrop, okay, you are going to be among those that will benefit from that airdrop. And just say that the same coin hit like $100, the same that as the WEN hit like $100, and $100 per coin is going to happen this bull run. You will see a coin from $1 to $2, from $2 to $3. You will see a lot of millionaires this coming 2024, this coming bull run. So get yourself ready. Don't sleep over this update. Okay, make sure that you take action immediately. Take action. The reason why I'm sharing this with this update is a paid course. Okay, it's paid update, but I'm giving it for you free of charge, because they said that free we get, free we are giving out. Okay, because the reason why I'm doing this, a lot of people is going to smile this 2024, and I want you to be part of it. When other people are enjoying and celebrating, I want you to be part of them. So what do you need to do right now? Follow our update. Follow our update. Don't sleep over this update. I have been dropping update back to back every day. Okay, so what you need to do in order to be getting our update is join our Telegram channel and also join our WhatsApp group. Okay, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Give me a sweet comment because it's going to help me a lot for me to be creating more good content like this that will help you generate a lot of money in future. If you can't do all these tasks simple, you are still going to make money. What you are going to do is to join us, because I'm going to be dropping updates on how you can buy the coin on time. Okay, and once it's pumped, you can sell it or you can hold it, because the one thing about all these coins is the patience of holding it. If you can have patience and hold some of those coins that have value, do you understand, you are going to make a lot of millions in future. Okay, the first thing is to discovering the right ones that can give you good value, and once you can hold it, okay, if you can hold it, no matter what happened, you still hold it, you are going to make millions of dollars. I talked about another coin called AAS token, and a lot of people, a lot of smart people have joined the project already, and I want you to watch some of my video. I'm going to drop the link in this video. Okay, I want you to join those videos, and I want you to join all those coins and start accumulating more coin. Okay, start buying more coin. You can start with $20 and you will grow your portfolio, because a lot of millionaires, fresh millionaires, are going to be made this 2024. Okay, so guys, see you guys at the top. Like, share, and also comment. It's going to help me a lot. See you guys.